Merry Christmas to you, amazing clients. I am the producer, and on behalf of my incredible team,
and I am the assistant producer, we want to take a moment to spread some holiday cheer your way.
As the editor here, I've had the pleasure of piecing together some of the most magical moments we've captured this year, from stunning photo shoots
to captivating videos and live streams. We've been busy creating magic just for you.
And I've been the office admin, ensuring everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Speaking of which, do you remember the day we got lost on our way from Nyahururu?
oh yes, that was quite an adventure. But hey, it's all about creating unforgettable memories, just as you do for you, our clients.
And talking about unforgettable, we had 2 days of Chat Without Limits, a production that pushed our creativity and teamwork.
That was one for the books. But let's not forget our awesome live streams, bringing events to life right on the screens.
And the creative ads, we have unleashed some serious creativity to make sure that your brand shines brighter. The stars would be jealous.
We've had quite the year, filled with laughter, creativity, and hard work. But none of it would have been possible without you, our clients.
Absolutely. Each of you has made our journey incredibly special. We are grateful for your trust and support throughout the year.
So, from all of us here at Baruthi Studios,
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!